Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be revealing the Spacenk Advent Calendar for this year, 2021. As promised, I did say in my Cult Beauty reveal that I will be doing next the Spacenk, and that's what we're going to be doing here today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. This advent calendar is definitely one of the best ones in my opinion, and I will definitely be picking it up. Before we get into all the details, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about some features. So it is worth £740, but it's going to retail for £199, a little bit more expensive than the Cult Beauty one by £16, but the Cult Beauty one is definitely worth a lot more, around £975, so that definitely makes sense. It's also going to include 28 products. 10 of them will be deluxe sizes, 9 of them will be travel sizes, and 9 of them will be full sizes. This advent calendar will go on sale on the 17th of September. However, I will leave a link in my description box as always for the waiting list. Make sure you join the waiting list as they do tend to sell out very quickly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the first 10 products, which will be deluxe sizes. The first deluxe size is by Sunday Riley, and this is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. It's worth £11.66. Never tried this product in the past, but I love Sunday Riley. Next up, we've got a product by Dr. Barbara Sturm. We're getting the Hylaruonic Acid Serum, 10 ml, and it's worth a whopping £85. Very expensive product. Next up, we've got a duo by Drunk Elephant. The first product is actually the most recent launch from Drunk Elephant. It's the O-Bloos Rosi Drops. We're getting it in the size of 5 ml. This is like a liquid blush that's quite sheer. And we're getting also the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, 5 ml, and it's worth £5. So both of them together, they are worth £10. I love the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I have used a full size of this in the past. It is a nice cream for winter time, so perfect timing. Next up, we've got a product by ABH. This is the Loose Setting Powder, 6 grams, and it's worth £20. Never tried this product before. Next, we've got a product by Fresh. We're getting the Sugar Advent Therapy Lip Treatment, 2.2 grams, and it's worth £10.75. I have used the Therapy Lip Treatment so many times in the past. It's something that I always repurchase. I absolutely love it. This one or the one with SPF, all of them are great. Next up, we've got a product, very bougie product, by La Mer, and we're getting the Crème de la Mer, the moisturizing cream, 7 ml, and it's worth £34. This is a quite thick cream, so 7 ml will last quite a bit. Next up, we've got a product by one of my favorite brands of all time. It's by Medik8. We're getting the Hydrate B5 Intense, 8 ml, and it's worth £14.66. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. They have this in a regular version, but we are getting the intense version. I've tried a lot from Medik8, but I have never tried this, so excited to be getting this. Next up, we've got a product by the brand Sisley. This is the Black Rose Cream Mask, 10 ml, and it's worth £19.83. This product was very popular on YouTube, I believe around 2 years ago or 3 years ago, and I never got the chance to try it out, so excited to be getting it in here. We're also getting a second product by Sisley. This is called the Ecological Compound, 10 ml, and it's worth £14.5. Also, I have never tried this in the past. So next up, we've got a product by Augustinus Bader. This is the face oil. We're getting it in a very teeny tiny small size, 2.2 ml, and it's worth £14.3. Those were all the deluxe sizes. Now we're gonna move on to the travel sizes, and we've got 10 products in this category. The first product is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. We're getting it in a 4 ml and it's worth around £12. Next we have a staple product in my skincare routine. I always love to have these on hand. It is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. We're getting 5 treatments and they are worth £19. Next up, we've got a product by Sol de Janeiro. This is the Boom Dia Bright Cream 75 ml and it's worth £18. I have tried the original Boom Boom cream. It's good. Nothing amazing, it's just the smell is good. I'm guessing that this will have a different scent, but maybe just as potent as the other one. Not sure. Next up, we've got a product by the brand Boy Smells. Never tried any of their candles. We're getting the Ash Candle, 85 grams, and it's worth £12.75. This brand has great reviews, so looking forward to be trying this in winter. Next up, we've got a product by Caudalie. It's the Beauty Elixir 30 ml and it's worth £12. I'm not the biggest fan of facial sprays, but I like to use them before I apply my hyaluronic acid serum. So this is how I will be using this one. Next up, we've got a product by Dermalogica. It's called the Special Cleansing Gel 50 ml we're getting also 2 samples with it and it's worth £12. Next, we've got a product by Joe Loves, and it's the Pomelo Bath and Shower Gel 75 ml, worth £9.54. I'm pretty sure this is going to smell amazing. Next, we've got a product by Laura Mercier. This is called the Pure Canvas Blurring Primer 25 ml, and it's worth £17. Another product by Augustinus Bader. This is called the Rich Cream 15 ml and it's worth £65. I think this is what made the brand very famous. This cream or the regular cream. Not sure, but happy to be trying it out. Next, we've got another product by Sunday Riley, and it's another face oil. It's called CEO Glow Face Oil 15 ml and it's worth £34. I love Juno by Sunday Riley. So excited to be trying a different oil. Now moving on to the final category, the most exciting one and the one that has the highest value, the full sizes. We're getting 8 products. First one is the star product from Olaplex. It's the number 3 Hair Perfector 100 ml and it's worth £26. If you haven't tried this, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is the best, hands down, the best hair treatment you can ever use on your hair. You need this, and if you haven't tried it, and you're gonna try it out from this calendar, I'm telling you from now, you're gonna be buying it over and over again. Next up, we've got a product by The Ordinary, and we're getting the caffeine solution 5% plus EGCG, and it's worth £5.8. I have tried this serum in the past. It didn't do much for me, but I know a lot of people love it. Next up, we've got a product by Hourglass. This is a product that I've been wanting to try for a while, so glad we're getting it in this calendar. It's called the Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow in Reflect. And we're getting it in a full size, 3.5 grams, and it's worth £28. This is a gorgeous color, so I'm really excited to be trying it out. Next, we've got a product by Kate Somerville, and it's the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, 50 ml, and it's worth £58. Haven't tried this product in the past. Next up, we've got a product. This is a new product. It's a new brand to Spacenk, and I believe it is exclusive to Spacenk. The brand is called Rose Ink, and we're getting the Blush Divine Radiant Lip and Cheek Color. It's worth £23. but I'm not sure in which shade we're getting it. They didn't specify and I couldn't find that anywhere. Next we've got another full size by Medik8. It is called the Day and Night Eye Serum 15 ml and it's worth £90. I believe this is like a retinol eye serum, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know I'm obsessed with retinol at the moment, especially for the eye area. I just find it to be quite effective. Unlike what everybody else says, I really do see a difference, so I'm always excited to try a new retinol eye cream. Next up, we've got a product by Nars, and this is a full-size lipstick in the shade Dolce Vita, and it's worth £22. Nars has one of the best lipstick formula, so I know a lot of people are gonna enjoy this. Next we have a product by Summer Fridays. This is the Jet Lag Mask and it is 64 grams and it's worth £42. This mask has mixed reviews. Some people love it, others don't. I haven't tried it myself, but we're definitely getting quite a big size of it. And I believe that was the last product in this advent calendar. Definitely a great calendar, up there with Cult Beauty. Now that I'm doing this video, I'm really not sure which one I like more. I did say in my Cult Beauty video that I like the one from Spacenk a little bit better, but now I'm not sure. I think I like both of them equally. Each one has a good variety of skincare and makeup, and each one has, you know, its nice product that I want to try. So I will definitely be picking both up, and I will be unboxing both of them on my channel, so make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, all of that, so you get notified once I do so. But let's talk about the value. I calculated the value on my own, and I did find it to be worth exactly £740. So Spacenk is truthful about how much this calendar is worth, which I always appreciate. And that brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments, are you gonna be buying this calendar? If not, which one you're gonna be buying, or maybe you're not buying any. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys!